brother?
Yeah.
You gonna get my truck too? Get the.
Yeah.
It's dirty right now, but damn.
Hey, tow trucker back. I'm pulling through the property. I just run into one of my subscribers right here.
Yeah, right.
What's your name?
Man. Albert, man.
Albert, you got it on Instagram or anything?
Nah, I deleted all my social media.
I hear that. Hey, sometimes it's better too.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I like your truck, man. It's
Thanks,
nice, bro.
man.
Yeah, hey, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Anyway, that's pretty cool. I just met a new subscriber of mine, and he flagged me down. I'm on a property over here. I don't know if he lives here or if he's working in this property, but he was a nice guy. It's always cool to meet people that like my videos. But you know, meeting me, man, I'm just me. You ain't meeting no damn superstar. I'm just a guy, man. I'm just a tow guy. I ain't nothing special. It's just me. It's just what I do, man. I'm out here grinding every day. Anyway, nice meeting people, though. I like to meet people. That's cool. That's really cool, man. Anyway, peace. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing. That's what we do. We yank cars. Anyway, this property here hasn't been stickered in a long time, and it got stickered a week or two ago. And let's see, it got stickered on the 9th, like 10 days ago, 12 days ago, like that. Anyway, they got 50-something cars on this property, so we're gonna start yanking. I got one right here by the front office. It's a 2019 plate, parked by the front office. I mean, it's been stickered for at least 11 days. So we're going to start loading, and I got another wheel lifter sitting back a couple of buildings over, so we're going to get double loaded. Anyway, we got that central loaded up. Well, like I said, there's quite a few cars on this property, so we're gonna be towing a bunch. Little Florida plate on it. The brakes on. I'm gonna get out. I gotta strap it down right up here at the office. I'm gonna finish my strapping and put my my drag lights on the back, and we'll get out of here. But this is just how it goes. Anyway, we're gonna roll out, get back on the highway, get to the yard. Hey there, we're back on the same property. I gotta check this tag right here on this one. See if I can pump this thing in neutral. It don't have a neutral release on it.
Look at this crap, man. This is...
I think we need to tow this one for sure. We're gonna go ahead and hook it right now. his. I think that car deserved to be towed. Anybody wants to give a thumbs up if they agree with me on this video, it might help the algorithm a little bit. Anyway, we're gonna go out here and grab another one. Here we go. We're gonna get this Volvo right here. Go ahead and yank it up. Dirt, man. Yeah. Too much dirt up on it. Can't even get a wheel this far on it. Thought this girl was walking up on me. Thought for sure we got her car. She was making a beeline for the tow truck, but anyway, I don't think, I mean, she don't look like the type to try to pull me out of the truck, so it wasn't no big deal. You can't never tell though. Yeah. Yeah, that's one thing about violent people. You can't tell, but you can't tell who's violent by looking at them. I know that for a fact. You can't look at somebody and tell if they're a violent person or not. Their actions are the only thing that will tell you. Anyway, enough said. We're gonna roll to the yard. We got them locked down, strapped down, chained up, and we're going across town, back across town to the lot. June 20. So we got 2 cars at one building. I've just now started running this list. I'm definitely going to be loading here in a few minutes. But the process, I have to ride around, or everybody who works where I work at, we have to get a list from the office, and then we ride around and check to see which ones are not fixed. The office does give extensions to some people if they make contact with them about the problem. Anyway, we're going to keep rolling to see what else we got. Like I said, I got 2 right back there. I know I'll be towing 2 over there in just a minute, but this kind of gives you an idea of how this systematically works. You don't just pull up and tow a car. It's done proper. It's done by the law. When you do it like that, you have to have documentation about the cars. I think that this one here might be on the list. Let me see. White Yukon, white Malibu. Let's see, there's a Yukon. Here's a Malibu. Malibu is fixed. They fixed the Malibu, so I'm gonna mark it off the list. No tow. Malibu fixed. White Yukon. Here's a Yukon. We gotta check this Yukon now. See if it's got a got a tag in it. It says tag in progress. Got that on. March 20. Anyway, it does appear that this property is giving these people, she gave them a week, an extra week. Everybody on the property got an extra week to get their problem situated or contact the office. This Yukon, they put a tag on it. It didn't have a tag on it at all. They put a expired tag on it. That's what they did. I got somebody walking up on me. I don't know if he's the owner of one of these cars or not, but we'll see.
You want to tone it up?
Yeah. Yeah, that one right there's got an expired tag on it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Have you contacted the office?
No.
She gave everybody a week. She gave everybody a week to fix them.
It's not gonna take more than a week.
Well, she's already. I mean, yeah, well, that's between you and the property manager. That's
You already got the order?
Yeah. Well, I've got a bunch of cars. Does the car run?
It does.
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna load it. I mean, if it can run, you have the option to remove it from the property. Because there's a bunch. It's not just yours. There's a whole bunch. Yeah, I'm not going to back in and load it right now. You say it runs. I would drive it up to the office and talk to them, let them know that it's operational and you're working on it. To let them know. That way, you know, they have the option to work with you, but you have to communicate with them. Yep. Okay. I'm not going to take it right now. I'm not. But we're going to be over here. We may have more trucks. Another truck might not know I've talked to you. So
yeah, but this is gonna take, well, it's been like a week. This take like maybe two weeks, you know that.
Yeah, I just talked to her. It does run. That's beneficial. If you let them know it runs, it does help out. A lot of these, I mean, there's cars. There's 2 or 3 back there. They got flats and they ain't ran in years. You know what I'm saying? There's some cars. It's a nice car, man. I mean, it's a nice Yukon. I can tell. Yeah.
I take it up because it's expired, so I don't need it anymore.
Yeah. Did you buy it from a dealer? Can you get a dealer tag for?
I get it from Carolina.
Oh, Carolina, okay. Yeah, I would show. How long ago did you buy it?
Like 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely talk to the manager.
I will definitely.
Yeah.
Because this,
Yeah. I mean, what I'm saying is, I can't tell you that. Yeah, you're fine. I can't tell you that. It's up to the manager.
I will.
All right. Thank you, man. Have a good one. Yep. Pretty nice guy. Only problem is he bought that car. Bought that car 2 years ago, and he don't have a tag for it. Anyway, he better talk to somebody, or he will get towed. Anyway, I got to get some cars on the hook, man. All this talking don't help anything out. Either way, we got those 2 loaded up. We'll be coming back over here to grab some more. They hadn't towed over here in this property in a while, and periodically they have to tow. There's no way they can't tow. This is a Roswell property in Roswell City. They do a pretty good job of keeping their property, keeping their city nice. Anyway, we're gonna roll these 2 back to the yard. Get on up to the yard. Get these things dropped off. Get back over here and get some more.